I'll introduce how to make 5 osechi dishes traditionally eaten at New Year. These days, many people buy ready-made osechi, but there is a tradition of preparing the dishes little by little, starting around December 30th. Packing them into tobacco boxes so that no cooking is needed during the New Year holidays. Each dish is imbued with symbolic meanings, expressing wishes for family health, longevity, and peace. These dishes have been made since long before microwave ovens existed, so they taste great even when served cold. Why not add them to your bento box? Let me introduce Matsukaze-yaki. Use a total of 1 pound of ground chicken. Mix half of it with salt and sake. Heat the pan over medium-low heat and add oil. Sauté the ginger, then cook the meat. When the meat turns white, turn off the heat. Place the remaining half in a large bowl and season it with egg, sugar, sake, soy sauce, and cornstarch. Brush the bottom and sides of the mold with sesame oil. For a thicker result, use a dish half the size. Add the cooked meat to the bowl of seasoned raw meat and mix well. Break up any large clumps. Press the mixture evenly into the mold and sprinkle generously with toasted sesame seeds. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 204 degrees Celsius for 17 to 18 minutes. Bake for about 25 minutes in a 4.5 by 8 inch dish. Let it cool before cutting. Make the sauce by mixing cornstarch, water, mirin, soy sauce, sake, and sugar in a small saucepan. Place over medium heat and stir constantly until it thickens. You can also make the sauce in a microwave for 70 seconds. When cooled, remove from the pan and cut into portions for better presentation and easier eating. I cut it into the shape of hagoite, a traditional paddle used in New Year's game. The sauce thickens to this consistency as it cools. Brush with the sauce. Insert a bamboo skewer and it's done. Next, prepare the Nishiki Tamago. A small hole at the bottom of the eggs helps with peeling. Boil for around 15 minutes to make hard-boiled eggs. Cut the egg white and separate the yolk from the white. Use only 4 egg whites. Process in a food processor. Use 5 egg yolks. Season the yolks and whites, each with salt and sugar. Spread the yolk paste about 6 by 6 inches on parchment paper. In Japan, it's usually spread on plastic wrap, but in North America, wrap can melt with food, so I use parchment paper. Spread the egg white paste, leaving 1/2 inch at the front and 1 inch at the back. If this seems difficult, simply grease a heat-proof dish. Spread the egg white paste, then the yolk paste on top in 2 layers. Using both ends of the parchment paper and roll it up. Turn it around and roll it again. Then twist both ends. Put the rolled egg in a heat-proof dish. Cover with wrap and poke around 6 holes with a skewer. Microwave for 2 minutes. Then let it cool in a parchment paper. When cooled, slice about 3/8 inch thick. Next, make the namasu, vinegared daikon and carrot salad. Use the top part of the daikon, where the leaves are attached. The bottom is watery and not ideal for salads. Use the top part of the carrots as well. Slice 160 milliliters of daikon and 80 milliliters of carrot into thin strips using a slicer. Place the daikon and carrot in a bowl. Sprinkle with salt and leave for about 10 minutes. This drains excess water, helping the vegetable absorb vinegar and sugar. Prepare the seasoned vinegar. Add sugar and yuzu tea to rice vinegar and mix well. Gently squeeze the vegetables and discard the excess liquid. Make sure to add all the sugar left at the bottom. After mixing the seasoned vinegar, let it set for 2 to 3 hours so the flavors penetrate the vegetables and enhance the taste. Next, make kuromame, sweet black beans. This time, I'll use the beans without soaking them first. Place the washed beans in a pot. Black soybeans are used in Japan, but in North America, use black turtle beans. Add 4 cups of water and bring to a boil. Use a lid with a hole if you have one. Otherwise, leave a small gap. When it boils, turn off the heat and move the beans to the warmed slow cooker. Leave on the keep warm setting for 2 hours. Change the setting from keep warm to high and cook for about 2 hours. Change the setting from high to low and cook for another 2 hours. They seem done, so I'll check. The beans are cooked when they mash easily between your fingers. Remove the cooking liquid until the beans are just covered. Add sugar, honey, and soy sauce. And keep heating on low for 30 minutes. Turn off the switch and leave it to cool as is. The flavors will soak in while it sets. Finally, I'll make yahata maki. Burdock root is popular among health-conscious people and can be found at the Asian supermarkets. Remove the skin using the back of a knife or a brush. While the skin is rich in polyphenols, it can be quite bitter. Cut the burdock root into sticks about 2.5 inches long. Quickly soak in vinegar water and drain. Cut the carrot into sticks about 2.5 inches long. Soak the kombu in 3 cups of water for at least 30 minutes. Take out the kombu, add the burdock and carrot, and cook. You can also cook it in prepared dashi from the beginning. Once it starts to boil, reduce to medium-low heat and add the dashi powder. Add sake and mirin. Bring to a boil again. Then add salt and soy sauce. Once it boils again and the burdock is cooked through, turn off the heat. Lay out the thinly sliced beef and put the cooled burdock and carrot at the near edge. Arrange the burdock and carrot alternately for a more attractive look. Sprinkle a little flour at the end of the roll so the meat sticks together. Heat a frying pan over medium heat and add oil. Place the rolled meat without overlapping. Turn them occasionally and cook until browned. Season with sake and mirin. Once the alcohol has evaporated, add soy sauce and coat well. It's done when the sauce has reduced. Cut in half and trim any vegetables that are sticking out.